Welcome to Practical C# for daily use. C# Async Await. In this tutorial, we cover the basics of asynchronous programming in C# and how you can use the async/await keywords to make your Windows Forms application more responsive and faster. By performing lengthy operations asynchronously, your application can continue to respond to user input, making it more user-friendly and efficient. What is asynchronous programming? Asynchronous programming is a technique that allows your application to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, without blocking the main thread of execution. By using asynchronous programming, your application can continue to respond to user input, while performing lengthy operations in the background. This makes your application more responsive and faster. The async/await keywords. These keywords are two keywords in C# that make it easier to write asynchronous code. The async keyword is used to mark a method as asynchronous, while the await keyword is used to wait for the completion of an asynchronous operation. To demonstrate the use of async/await in Windows Forms, we will create a simple application that performs a lengthy operation and updates a progress bar while the operation is in progress. Practical part of the video. Now let's create a fresh Visual Studio project for our example. We use Visual Studio 2022 for this example. If you need help with the first steps or installation, check out my basic tutorial for C# to get an overview and start point. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment with ideas, wishes, or improvements for further content. If you like my videos, I would be happy about a like for the video. If you want to support me further and not miss any videos, just subscribe to my channel.